Agile and AI have already shown us what's possible in product development. But here's the truth. Tools alone don't build the future. People do. The technology is powerful, yes, but it's your mindset, your systems, and your ability to lead that will define whether your team thrives or just survives. In this final video of our trilogy, we're going to talk about how you can step into that leadership role, how to become the kind of product leader every modern team needs in 2025 and beyond. My friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Global Compass, the Leadership Hub. My name is Dr. Jimmy Godard, the Scholar Strategist. If you have made it this far in this series, then you're not just here to browse. You are here to build. Please do us a favor. Like the playlist, the videos, and share it with at least 3 people that you think will benefit from them. And also, share with us some comments. Tell us if you like it or not, and tell us what you like so that we can build more of those videos for you. My friends, Agile has become a household framework for many companies. This isn't about more productivity hacks or new frameworks. This is about transformation. This is about going from simply managing features to architecting outcomes, from being a sprint participant to becoming the culture setter, the strategist, the guide. In this episode, we're going to lock in your leadership operating system and give you a clear path to level up. First, it's time to fully own your role in the AI plus Agile era. Product leadership is no longer just about delivering features on time. It is about navigating complexity, designing systems that scale, and bringing clarity to ambiguity. You're not just tracking the backlog. You are asking harder, deeper questions. Are we solving the right problems? Are we learning fast enough? Are we doing the right things instead of doing things right? Are we building a culture that can adapt at the speed of change? My friends, in 2025, the best leaders are part strategist, part technologist, and yes, part psychologist. You're leading people. You are leading people, not just processes. To lead at that level, you need what I call a leader's operating system. To lead at that level, for you to be a strategist, to be a technologist, and to be a psychologist, you need what I call a leader's operating system. That means a rhythm of reflection, decision-making, and team rituals that keep you grounded and effective. A simple blueprint might look like this. On Monday, happy Monday, you host a strategic synchronization, not just to review tasks, but to clarify outcomes. Let's just say by Wednesday, you send or record a quick check-ins to maintain momentum without burning your people. And my friends, by Friday, you carve out time, not just for a team retrospective, but for personal reflection. What did you learn? What did your team learn? When you layer AI into this rhythm, it's not to replace leadership, it's to empower it. Let AI surface trends in your sprint data. Let AI handle the reporting for you. Automate the administrative work so you can focus on what really matters, leading humans. I mentioned that in our first video. The main purpose of the 5th industrial revolution, it's about us becoming more human and to lead humans while we manage tasks. In another reminder, we lead people and we manage tasks. But my friend, to stay ahead, you can't just lead. you have to learn. To stay ahead, you cannot just lead, you have to learn. Because the way we used to lead yesterday, with AI in the equation, leadership is different. Leadership has to be different. That's how the next step is building your learning ecosystem. Subscribe to this channel to learn the how. We are not interested here in the what. You can find that on your own. There's enough generative AI tools out there to help you. But how do you do it? AI will tell you this is what you need to do to lead. However, how do you do it? Ask us questions here and engage in our community. Block out time each week for personal development, whether that's reading, watching, or experimenting. You need to start hosting peer learning sessions, mini knowledge shares, or book discussions. There are a lot of great companies out there that have great book club. You should join them. You should partner with other people who are going through the same thing that you're going through right now. You should not have to repeat other people's mistakes. My friend, you can use AI as your personal research assistant. Ask it to break down nutrients or summarize dense reports for you. And never underestimate the power of community. Never underestimate the power of community. Somebody once asked me, if AI can do all of this, then why do I need to learn? My friend, if you ask similar question, you are missing the point. Learning is a journey, not a destination. You have to have that learning ecosystem for you to enjoy how to empathize with people. You cannot ask AI to write you an email for you to empathize with your coworker or with your direct report. They're gonna ask you, was that created by ChatGPT or was that you? Listen, being human is making mistakes. Being human is for you to miss the opportunity to do the right thing. Being human is for you to go on and ask for forgiveness. Being human as a leader is to have the self-awareness, to empathize, and also to say, I'm sorry. Being human is being flawed. So if you're going to leverage AI for you to be remote and communicate with your direct reports, communicate with your peers via a screen, you are missing the point, the whole point of the fifth industrial revolution that is superpowered by AI. Companies may soon embrace this whole notion of AI agents. Now, I will get deeper into this in another video, but I want to highlight to you the point of you being a leader is for you to be present, is for you to talk to people, converse with people, and for you to lead people. My friends, I invite you to join conversations in online forums, Slack groups, or local meetups. Learning is no longer a luxury. It's the baseline. Again, learning is no longer a luxury. It is a baseline. Think about it. I could leverage AI to write a book. I know many people have done it, but guess what? They failed to realize the growth, because the growth happened in the doing. The learning happened in the doing. And here's the final crucial shift from manager to multiplier. From manager to multiplier. First of all, you will know by now that I do not like the term managers when we are talking about people. Managers keep things moving. Multipliers keep momentum. You manage tasks, but you lead people. You manage tasks, but you lead people. As multipliers, you create momentum. As a leader, you set up the thermostat. You're not a thermometer that is reporting the temperature of your environment. You set up the temperature of your environment. As multiplier, you don't just delegate, you elevate. You do not just delegate, you elevate. You empower your teams with ownership, trust, and the space for them to explore. You take smart risk and you embrace the lessons found in failure. One of the most transformative things you can do as a leader: stop giving all the answers. Start asking better questions. That's where growth begins. My friends, so if this trilogy sparked something in you, don't let it fade. We watch this series, reflect, recommit, drop a comment, and share one leadership habit you're focusing on building. And if you haven't already, subscribe. We are building a community of future-ready creators and leaders. Because leadership in 2025 and beyond, it's not about being perfect. It's about being adaptive. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, you manage tasks, but you lead people.